So guys, for the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once we're on this, we want to scroll down until we find Windows Command Processor. Here it is for me. So you want to click on it and then click on End Task. And then you want to see if CMD works for you. So guys, if that's still not working, you want to right click on your desktop and then click on New and then click on Shortcut. Once you're on this, we're going to type in cmd.exe and then click on Next and then click on Finish. Now once we have CMD on our desktop, you want to right click on it and then click on Properties and then make sure that you're on the Shortcut tab. Then you want to click on Advanced. Now once you're on this, you want to tick Run as Administrator and then click on OK and click on OK again. Then you want to right click on your desktop again and then click on Refresh. And now you want to try opening up CMD again and see if that works for you. If that still doesn't work, you want to head over to Search and type in Settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on System. Then we're going to scroll down and click on About. Then you want to click on Advanced System Settings. Once you're on this, you want to click on Environment Variables. And then you want to click on Path and then click on Edit. Once you're on this, we're going to click on New. Then I'm going to leave something down below in the description which you can copy and paste, or you could just type it out. It's going to be C:/Windows/SYS/WOW64/ and then click on OK. Now once you do this, you want to restart your computer and then CMD should be working for you.